An important vision of the Dutch Caribbean Cooperation of Airports is achieving economically sustainable, stable, and affordable air connections by adapting its airport infrastructure where possible, based on the needs of inter-island airline operators. With this in mind, DCCA has agreed to work together to organize a sustainable air transportation event between Dutch Caribbean islands. An event organized by Aruba Airport Authority N.V. on behalf of the Dutch Caribbean Cooperation of Airports, which promises to become the biggest sustainable air transportation event in the region, focusing on the future of alternative air transportation and the various alternatives to improve inter-island connectivity between these islands. The Dutch Caribbean Cooperation of Airports, a cooperation between 6 commercial airports with the objective to improve the general quality of each individual airport by efficiently assisting each other and exchanging information, transferring knowledge, and sharing expertise, all with the end goal in mind of achieving economies of scale within key airport elements.
It is a true honor for me to officially announce an important and exciting international event that will be taking place in Aruba in November 2022. Our country will be hosting the Sustainable Air Transportation event for 1 week that month. This event, organized by Aruba Airport Authority on behalf of the Dutch Caribbean Cooperation of Airports, will zoom in on the crucial role of sustainable air travel between the Dutch Caribbean islands. Not only will participants learn more about the benefits of sustainable flying, but will also get an opportunity to actually experience operations of an electric aircraft that will conduct test flights during the event. As the host country, we look forward to welcoming many regional and international guests and speakers to this event, either personal, on-island, or virtual.
The Dutch Caribbean Cooperation of Airports sees this event as a crucial first step towards creating more sustainable and affordable inter-island air connectivity between the islands of the Dutch Caribbean. DCCA looks forward to reaching new heights of air travel by tapping into a new air travel business model, including new passenger handling experiences, competitive prices, and convenient air connections for both airlines and passengers. This in turn will drive more demand for inter-island air connections.
The aviation world is changing rapidly, and sustainability is becoming part of how airports and airlines conduct business. The UN has set ambitious goals to reduce carbon emissions, and the Dutch Caribbean Corporation of Airports is committed to reach these goals by cooperating closely on making aviation in our region more sustainable. This means that we are each committed to work together on making our airports more sustainable, making air travel between the Dutch Caribbean islands more accessible and affordable, and taking our airlines and other partners along with us on this journey. The November 2022 event is a crucial first step in making air transportation between the Dutch Caribbean islands cleaner, more affordable, and more reliable. If our joint approach proves to be successful, we stimulate island hopping tourism, labor markets, health services, and social networks in the Dutch Caribbean without harming our planet. This is what I call full-scale sustainability.
Preparations for this event have started in 2021.
We are currently finalizing the planning for this important event. On November 7, we will kick off with an international keynote speaker, followed by several presentations, panel discussions, workshops, and virtual sessions. Key event streams will be sustainable aviation and travel, sustainable airports, sustainability as destination attraction, and the role of sustainability and education and awareness to make change happen in the air transportation industry. During the one-week event, the Royal Netherlands Aerospace Center NLR will be conducting test flights from Aruba Airport with a 2-seater electric aircraft.
There is sufficient room to improve service between the islands, and DCCA strongly supports the concept of better, more sustainable connectivity.
Bonaire International Airport plays an important role in the development of electric flying between the Dutch Caribbean islands with the support of various partners locally and internationally. We strongly support the first sustainable air transportation event in November 2022. It's of utmost importance for the future of our islands to stimulate a feasible change in the way we connect the islands and their communities. Both sustainable and feasible. For so many people who need to fly to connect each other.
Sustainable travel between the Dutch Caribbean islands will not only bring new opportunities, diversification, and strengthen the partnership between the airports of Aruba, Bonaire, Curaçao, Sint Maarten, Saba, and Statia, but next to the regular travel, it will also create possibilities for island hopping and thus attract more tourism to these islands.
The Dutch Caribbean Corporation of Airports looks forward to a successful event in November of 2022. Should you want to collaborate or otherwise be part of this important event, please contact DCCA advisor Angeline Fleming at her email a.fleming@airportaruba.com.